In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to add a DMARC record in GoDaddy accurately. DMARC, which stands for Domain-Based Message Authentication, Reporting, and Conformance, is a crucial aspect in securing your domain from potential filching and email spoofing. With me on this journey, you will have it all set up in no time. Our first task is to locate the place where we have control over our settings. We need to move to the DNS management page for the specific domain. Here you will find all the settings and controls which let you tweak your domain configuration to your needs. Next, we will create a new DNS record. For this, look for an option that says either Add New Record or just Add. Click it, and you're on your way to creating a new DNS record. Once the New Record tab is open, we have to specify the type of record we will be creating. Seek out the Type drop-down menu. It's hard to miss. From this drop-down, you need to select TXT. This is the type of DNS record we require for setting up DMARC. Now, let's get to the nitty-gritty, the data entry. In the field marked as host or name, you need to type in DMARC. This specific entry is universally recognized and indicates that what you're entering is indeed a DMARC record. Next, we dive into the value field. This is where you really get hands-on with your DMARC record. There's a basic template that roughly looks like this. V DMARC1 PN non rue at mail to email at your domain. This might look complicated, but let me assure it's not. You just replace email at yourdomain.com with the email address where you wish to receive all the reports associated with your DMARC record. Let's unwind this a bit more. The PX denotes the policy you want to set. The options are None, which is for monitoring, Quarantine, which routes your email to spam, and Reject, which blocks your email outright. Opt for None in the beginning to monitor incoming mails and adjust as needed. Then comes the Rue part. While it is optional, it comes highly recommended. It is responsible for receiving reports. Once all is set, the only thing left to do is resolve the TTL, or time to live. You can either preserve it as default or modify to your preferred setting. Once you've decided on your TTL, all you need to do is take a deep breath, click Save, and congratulations. You've successfully added a DMARC record in GoDaddy. By following the above steps meticulously, you should have absolutely zero problems. So, let's secure those domains and elevate your online presence.